Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Desiccant Silica Gel. Silica gel is a powerful desiccant, meaning it effectively absorbs moisture from the surrounding air. This property makes it incredibly useful for protecting various items from humidity and dampness, which can cause damage like mold or corrosion. You've likely encountered it in small packets included with new shoes, electronics, or medications. We'll cover how to best utilize these little moisture fighters. To use silica gel effectively, simply place the packets directly with the items you wish to protect. For best results, always store these items in an airtight container. This prevents new moisture from entering and allows the silica gel to work on the existing humidity. Even a small packet, often weighing just a few grams, can effectively protect the contents of a space up to about 1 cubic foot, making it ideal for small storage solutions. Silica gel is reusable, a fantastic benefit. You'll know it's saturated when its color changes, often from blue to pink or orange to green, depending on the indicator. To reactivate it, simply spread the beads on a baking sheet and heat them in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 1 to 2 hours, or until the original color returns, indicating moisture has evaporated. Let it cool completely before reuse. Silica gel has countless practical applications around your home. Use it to protect important documents, cherished photos, and sensitive electronics from moisture damage. It's also excellent for preventing rust on tools in your toolbox or keeping garden seeds dry for long-term storage. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. These simple packets offer a cost-effective way to preserve your valuable possessions and maintain their quality for much longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.